Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we were watching that the price line is moving in this rising wedge pattern, and we had more touches at the resistance than support. You can see that we had 1, 2, and 3 touches at the support, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 touches at the resistance. And I've also placed the moon phases indicator here as well. You can see that this new full moon is appeared here above this resistance. However, if I place this trend line here at the level of this new full moon, it is showing that the price action, if the price line will be recovered back, it will be moved back, then up to this level, the price action can move. That is approximately at $49,100. And the new dark moon has appeared here at the above the support, and the price line can move up to this level of the new dark moon. That is approximately at $45,400. That will be really a very critical level. Now we can see that we also have some additional supports, very strong additional supports. This is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame, and this is the 200 simple moving average. This yellow one is the 200 simple moving average on this daily time frame chart, and you can see that both moving averages are at the same level. And since this rally is started, the price line did not break down this exponential moving average 21, and it is testing this exponential moving average 21 again and again as a support. And now the price line is again also testing this 200 simple moving average as well. We were also down below this 200 simple moving average for a while, only for one candlestick here, and the price action recovered back. Therefore, there can be chances that the price line will be recovered back. But if the daily closing will be below this this trend line, this support of this rising wedge, then the situation can get more critical. However, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here we have a hope, because the price line has formed on the 4-hourly chart this falling wedge pattern, and it is moving very well between the resistance and support of this channel. We have a valid resistance, we have a valid support, and this is a bullish reversal pattern. This is considered as a reversal pattern, bullish reversal among the traders community. Therefore, the price line can break out the resistance of this this falling wedge. Now, at one side we have the rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame. That is a bigger pattern, and on other side, from 21st of August, this falling wedge pattern formation was started. That is on the 4-hourly time frame chart. That is visible on the 4-hourly time frame. Now I'm just copying this trend line from here and pasting here on the daily time frame. Then you can understand it more clear now. This is the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, and that is visible on the 4-hourly time frame. That we can now watch on the daily time frame as well. And now the price line is again at the resistance of this falling wedge. If we will have another rejection, then the support is approximately at $46,300 or $200. The price action can again test this support. So unless this falling wedge pattern, this support of the falling wedge pattern won't be broken down, we can expect that the price line has still chance to break out this resistance of the rising wedge, or at least move up to this resistance of the rising wedge. Even though right now we are out of this rising wedge, we are breaking down this rising wedge. However, we did not have any closing so far below this rising wedge. So before we will have the closing below this rising wedge pattern, we cannot confirm this breakout. If I place the volume indicator as well on the same time frame chart, sorry, this is not the volume indicator. Let me place the volume, and I'm also going to place the volume oscillator as well. That is really very useful tool to measure the buying or sell volume. And you can see that we are having very low volume. Even the volume is getting decreased. you can see that the volume is getting decreased. And if we take a look at the volume oscillator above 10, the volume oscillator is considered as a very powerful buying or sell volume. You can watch the values here and you can see that the volume oscillator is still in the negative territory, even though we had this powerful sell candlestick. But you can see that the volume is low and this volume oscillator is still moving in the negative territory. However, if we take a look at the volume, buying volume, like it was started here when we were touching this $30,000 level. You can see at that time we had a powerful buying volume here that was more than 18. Then again it was triggered with the volume with the value of more than 26, and here it was again triggered with the value of more than 11, and here it was since then. After that, it is still moving in the negative territory. So we need a volume, sell volume, to confirm, a powerful sell volume to confirm this breakdown. So far, this breakdown is not confirmed, and you can see that we also have these two very nice supports of 200 simple moving average and the exponential moving average 21 as well. Therefore, we should be careful because it can be a fake out. Like previously we had a fake out here when we had this rising wedge pattern. This was the support of the previous rising wedge, and we had a fake out here, and the price action recovered above this resistance of the previous rising wedge, and the price line even rallied up to even beyond $50,000. So we should be careful unless the price line will not break down the support of the falling wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. So if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.